This is just dive service. We're taking land a burrito. We're on the back of the Alli. Today's date is 1/04/22. Just got done cleaning this boat. This boat is rough. Very rough waterline, very rough bottom. The shaft zincs are good on both, and the rudder zincs are good. The trim tab zincs are good. The trim tabs are eaten up, and so are the props. The props I would recommend replacing probably both props. You're going to see some bends, some nicks, and it's got a lot of glue on there. It makes it very, very hard to clean. So let's go down and take a look.